everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. I hope everybody's having a great day. Just got back from the States. It's raining. Still a little chilly, not too bad, but I have a LongChamp unbagging. So let's go ahead and get into it. I got this off of eBay, saved about half price, so let's take a look and see what I got. All right, so it still has the LongChamp tag on it. LongChamp. And this is the LongChamp, Well, this is a cosmetic bag. It's regularly $90.90, and it's in blue. So you get the wristlet. This is this? Oh yeah, you can detach it. It has a little thing here. You can detach it if you want. Says Los Angeles on it. It's blue and black, which is pretty cool. And it's got the pull tag, LongChamp. And let's see what it looks like. All right. Oh, and it's even got the LongChamp care card. It gives you all the information there, and it retails for $90.90, and I got it for $20, so that's not too bad. And it looks like this is wipeable, so it's pretty good size, and it's gonna go in my bags like as like a catch-all. And then if I decide later to get maybe a white LongChamp or like a blue or a black, maybe not black, but then I'll have a little pouch to go with it. And this is navy. Oh no, it's black. It looks navy, but it's black. So it matches the leather, the letters here. All right. So that was one of my eBay finds. I have another item coming, so that will take a while. And I did order my Samorga, so that does take a while as well. All right, so that's my unbagging for today for my LongChamp. It's my very first LongChamp that is real. This is not a fake. So I'm pretty happy about it. And the price was even better because these, well, like this right here, like it says, $90. Yeah, $90.90. So there you go. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view, and make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a fabulous giveaway, and all you have to do is subscribe, so please do. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.